Get ready to gear up with the most advanced and innovative tactical military gear and gadgets of 2025. These cutting-edge tools are designed to enhance performance, safety, and efficiency in critical situations. From high-tech wearable devices and versatile multi-tools to next-generation communication systems and durable survival equipment, these 20 must-have items are perfect for military personnel, outdoor adventurers, and survival enthusiasts alike. Stay ahead of the game and discover how these incredible gadgets can elevate your tactical readiness. Let's dive in. For outdoor adventures in cold, wet, or windy conditions, dependable outerwear is essential to keep you warm and protected. Meet the Magnum Sen men's tactical jacket, which combines durability and comfort, featuring a waterproof and windproof soft-shell fabric with a cozy microfleece lining to ensure warmth. This jacket is equipped with a drawstring waist and adjustable hood, providing additional wind protection and a custom fit. Designed for functionality, it offers 7 pockets. 2 large chest pockets, 2 rear zip pockets, 2 arm pockets, and a forearm pocket, perfect for organizing essentials like maps, gloves, cell phones, and keys. To enhance breathability, vent zippers are located under each arm, allowing better airflow during high-activity outings. With a stylish yet practical design, this jacket is suitable for various outdoor activities and keeps you prepared for whatever nature throws your way. Standard US sizing ensures a comfortable fit, making it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Having a reliable and discreet carrying solution is essential for both everyday use and tactical situations. The 5.11 Sling Pack is a versatile bag designed for those who need an efficient way to carry their essentials without drawing attention. This innovative sling bag features multiple carrying options, including a single sling strap, a top handle, and a side handle, allowing for comfortable and convenient transportation. The pack is equipped with a dedicated concealed carry compartment, easily accessible through a top zipper, ensuring that your firearm is secure yet readily available. Inside, the padded pouch offers ample space with mesh retainers and magazine pouches for organization. The design promotes low visibility and easy access, allowing users to swing the bag around to the front and seamlessly draw from their concealed holster. Whether for daily activities, outdoor adventures, or tactical scenarios, the 5.11 Sling Pack combines functionality with a discreet profile, making it an essential addition to your gear collection. In situations where versatility and practicality are paramount, having a compact tool that can address various tasks is essential. Introducing the Leatherman Tread, the first multi-tool designed to be worn on your wrist, featuring 25 hardworking tools readily available for any situation. With Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, a cutting hook, and a bottle opener, this innovative design ensures that the right tool is always at hand, whether you're at home, on a trail, or in a tight spot. Each of the 11 interchangeable links is crafted from injection-molded 174 stainless steel, offering exceptional durability and strength. For those seeking even more functionality, an optional Swiss-made timing piece is available, which is water-resistant up to 200 meters and features a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. With a choice of 2 rugged finishes, the Leatherman Tread is a go-to, go-anywhere tool that embodies the spirit of adventure and the necessity of being prepared for any challenge life throws your way. In any situation, having a reliable writing instrument can be essential for communication and documentation. Introducing the Schrade Tactical Pen, a ruggedly designed writing tool built for performance and durability. Constructed from aircraft-quality CNC-machined 6061 T6 aluminum, this pen is not only practical but also capable of withstanding challenging conditions. Its push-button mechanism provides effortless access to a smooth rollerball tip, ensuring an enjoyable writing experience. The pen uses Schmidt-Parker-style 9000M refills and comes with a black ink cartridge installed for immediate use. Featuring a grooved and ribbed barrel, the pen offers a comfortable grip for extended writing sessions. Its sturdy spring tension clip, adorned with the familiar Schrade trademark, allows for secure attachment to pockets or gear. At just over 5 inches long and weighing only 1.6 ounces, this tactical pen is designed for everyday carry. Whether you need to jot down notes or rely on it as an emergency tool, the Schrade pen is a dependable companion for any situation. In low-light situations, a reliable, versatile tool is essential for both safety and convenience. Meet the Smith & Wesson Tactical Pen Light, crafted with dual functionality in mind, combining a powerful flashlight and a self-defense tool. Made from anodized aerospace aluminum with a matte black finish, this pen light is built for durability and resilience. The diamond-cut knurling on its casing provides a secure, comfortable grip, ensuring easy handling in any situation. Measuring about 6 inches long and weighing under 2 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry. On one end, the LED pen light delivers strong illumination, reaching up to 11 meters, and can run for up to 30 hours on 2 included AAA batteries. The other end features a pointed self-defense tip and a glass breaker, adding an extra layer of security and practicality in emergencies. The maintenance-free LED bulbs mean this pen light is always ready when you need it, whether for safety, finding lost items, or providing dependable light in the dark. In scenarios where visibility is limited, having a reliable tool to detect heat signatures can be crucial for safety and exploration. Introducing the Teslong Thermal Monocular, a portable device that allows you to see the world in thermal imaging, offering a high-contrast view akin to X-ray vision. This advanced monocular is an essential tool for locating lost children, adults, or pets in the wilderness, and it's equally effective for investigating nighttime noises or ensuring safety while camping. Additionally, it serves as a valuable asset in real estate searches, helping to uncover hidden issues such as water leaks, pipe blockages, and insulation gaps that could lead to costly repairs. With a resolution of 256 by 192 pixels, the device utilizes over 49,000 temperature detection points, allowing you to identify hot or cold objects with remarkable precision. The Teslong Thermal Monocular can reveal your surroundings and help you spot people, objects, and animals from up to 1,000 yards away, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures or home inspections. In urban environments, having a functional and stylish layer is crucial for comfort and versatility. The Helikon-Tex Tactical Hoodie Light is designed to meet the demands of urban tactical wear while ensuring comfort and practicality. Crafted from a thick, elastic cotton blend fabric, this hoodie provides a soft feel against the skin while remaining durable enough for active use. Its adjustable hood offers added protection against the elements, while elastic sleeve cuffs ensure a snug fit. Featuring a high-quality YKK zipper, the front opens smoothly for easy wear. The hoodie includes two classic front pockets for quick access to essentials, along with a hidden zippered pocket inside the right front pocket for added security. Additionally, it boasts two internal mesh pockets, one on each side, ideal for organizing smaller items. A hidden pocket on the left bicep and a loop panel for patches further enhance its tactical functionality. The Helikon-Tex Tactical Hoodie Light combines style with a multitude of features, making it an essential piece for any urban adventurer. In emergencies, having compact, multifunctional tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Introducing the SOG Flint, an innovative survival and defensive tool that fits conveniently in your pocket. Despite its compact size, measuring just 4.3 inches and weighing less than an ounce, this tool is packed with essential features for any outdoor enthusiast or preparedness-minded individual. The Flint includes a built-in fire starter that utilizes steel wool tinder, enabling you to ignite a flame quickly when needed. Additionally, it features a carbide-tipped glass breaker for emergencies, a safety whistle for signaling, and a secure compartment for tinder storage. Its versatile design allows for easy attachment to a keychain or lanyard, ensuring it's always within reach. With the Flint, you can confidently tackle unexpected situations, making it an invaluable companion for camping, hiking, or everyday carry. Whether you're facing the elements or seeking safety, having a reliable backup plan is essential, and Flint delivers just that. For those who need a rugged, reliable belt that can support tactical and everyday activities, this product is essential. The Fairwind Men's Tactical Belt is crafted for durability and versatility, designed to suit the needs of military personnel, law enforcement, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. This belt features a quick-release V-ring rigger buckle made of heavy-duty aluminum alloy, allowing for easy, one-handed operation. Its 1000D nylon webbing is both high-strength and eco-friendly, ensuring breathability and comfort for extended use. With a maximum bearing capacity of 1,100 pounds, it's ready to support gear or accessories during demanding activities like military training or camping. This belt is not only tactical, but also versatile enough for daily wear with jeans or casual outfits. Packed in a gift box, it makes an ideal present for anyone in need of a sturdy, functional belt, from tactical professionals to outdoor adventurers and those who carry concealed essentials. Having a reliable and high-quality optical device is essential for effective reconnaissance and outdoor adventures. Meet the Vortex REI Pro HD Tactical Monocular. Designed to deliver exceptional performance, generating bright and sharp, high-definition images. It utilizes high-density extra-low dispersion glass and XR anti-reflective coatings to ensure clarity in various lighting conditions. The included base reticle features quick-ranging silhouettes to assist with range estimation and shot calling, making it ideal for tactical use. The large focus wheel allows for smooth one-handed adjustments, and the reticle focus maintains sharpness for precise targeting. This monocular comes with a versatile utility clip for secure attachment to pack webbing or pockets, and includes a MOLLE PALS compatible pouch for convenient storage. Textured rubber armor enhances grip and durability, while ArmorTech coatings protect the lenses from scratches, oil, and dirt. Integrated tethered lens caps provide additional protection. Fully waterproof and fog-proof, the Vortex REI Pro HD is suitable for any mission, ensuring reliability in any environment.